Right here is a custom ordered 2023 Ski Nautique 200 we have for a customer of ours that just landed. Spectacular looking boat. We did all white exterior, Mystic white with white Chromax badging. Accented it with a single axle Victory Red trailer to match the interior Victory Red deck and seats. We did black piping on this with the mocha featured textures and mocha sea deck. An awesome looking boat. We option it with the snap-in bow seats. You can snap those all out and have exposed sea deck below it. There's our GPS puck. There's a defroster with heater as an option on this boat. There's our big PTM Edge mirror. Chromax badging again. We just IGL coated this boat. Keep it looking showroom new. Take a look at the back end of this. There's our Nautique badging. Single exhaust port. Nice walkthrough in this boat. Our fuel fill. Again, same thing on the back seats. You can option these seat bases, which we did on this boat. You can see that center one is snapped out, so I have the ability when I'm skiing to step into this boat without messing up my seats. Option this with the stereo option as well. There's the jump seat with flip down, and we also have that white air dam in there to accompany that heater and defroster. We upgraded this motor to the 5.3 direct injection. There's our 200 badging and our cockpit. Same Nautique seat that you will see in every Nautique. Check out this power plant. .355 horsepower, again direct injection, creating 405 foot-pounds of torque at the prop. This is an awesome upgrade for this boat. We'll have this in the water for our customer sometime this spring when you're back in town. If you ever want to take a spin in it, or one of our other 200s our customers have, hit us up. Love to get you out in it.